Hey everyone, welcome back to SAS Beast Pro. Today we're diving into 7 Figma tricks on PC every designer must know, packed with practical tips to speed up your workflow, save time, and make your designs look sharper and more professional. Now let's get started. Number 1. Duplicate objects instantly. Quickly duplicating elements saves time and ensures consistency across your design, letting you replicate patterns, shapes, or components without manually recreating them. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. First, open Figma on your browser and make sure you're inside the project you want to work on. Step 2. Next, select the element or object you want to duplicate. It could be a shape, text box, or icon. Step 3. Now hold the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows. Then click and drag your element to a new position to create the first copy. Step 4. After that, press Command D on Mac or Alt D on Windows to repeat the duplication with the same spacing, creating multiple duplicates instantly. Number 2. Rename multiple layers. Quickly, renaming layers properly keeps your project organized and prevents confusion, especially in large files with lots of elements. It makes collaboration easier and helps you work faster. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Start by holding Shift and clicking each layer you want to rename, or simply click and drag to select multiple layers all at once. Step 2. Then press Ctrl+R on your keyboard to open the Rename modal window. Step 3. Type the base name you want, like film or button, which will become the main identifier for all selected layers. Step 4. Click the number button to automatically add sequential numbers to each layer for clarity. Step 5. You can choose whether the numbering goes up or down using the small arrow options next to the number button. Step 6. Finally, click Rename, and watch as all your selected layers are renamed instantly with unique, organized names. Number 3. Align objects with Smart Guides. Smart Guides help you position objects perfectly on your canvas, keeping everything aligned, symmetrical, and visually appealing without guesswork. Let's do it. Step 1. Go to the top menu, click the Figma icon, then navigate to View and select Show Rulers to make rulers visible on your canvas. Step 2. Hover over the top or left ruler until double arrows appear, then click and drag to pull a guide into your canvas wherever you need it. Step 3. To quickly show or hide guides, simply toggle the Rulers option on or off from the View menu whenever you need a cleaner workspace. Step 4. If you need to remove a guide, hover over it until it highlights blue, click to select it, and press Delete on your keyboard to remove it completely. Number 4. Group and ungroup efficiently. Grouping allows you to treat multiple elements as a single object, making it easier to move, scale, or style them together. Ungrouping gives you flexibility to edit individual elements. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the first element you want to include in a group, then hold Shift and click each additional element you want to group together. Step 2. Right-click and select Group, or simply press Ctrl-G on Windows or Command-G on Mac to combine them into one group. Step 3. Drag the group around your canvas to ensure all elements move together as one unit. Step 4. Rename the group in the Layers panel to keep your project organized and easy to navigate. Step 5. To ungroup, click the grouped object, right-click and select Ungroup, or press Ctrl-Shift-G, Command-Shift-G. Step 6. Once ungrouped, click individual elements to confirm they're separate, then edit or rearrange them as needed. Number 5. Lock and unlock layers. Fast locking prevents accidental changes to important layers, while unlocking lets you make edits safely, helping you maintain control over your design workflow. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Select the element or multiple elements you want to lock to prevent accidental edits. Step 2. Right-click and choose Lock or press Shift-Command-L on Mac, Shift-Control-L on Windows to secure the selection. Step 3. Try clicking on a locked element to make sure it can no longer be moved or edited by mistake. Step 4. To unlock, open the Layers panel on the left and either click the lock icon or use the same keyboard shortcut to release the lock. Step 5. Click the element on the canvas to confirm that it's now editable and ready for adjustments. Number 6, measure spacing precisely. Accurate spacing is key to clean, professional layouts. Measuring ensures elements are evenly distributed, giving your design a polished and balanced appearance. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Begin by selecting the first element you want to measure from. Step 2. Hold the Alt key, Option key on Mac, and hover over the second element to see the distance between them. Step 3. Observe the pixel measurement that appears, giving you precise spacing information. Step 4. Move your mouse while holding Alt Option to check spacing between other elements quickly. Step 5. Adjust the X and Y coordinates in the Properties panel to fine-tune the positioning for exact alignment. Step 6. Repeat these measurements across your design to maintain consistency and a professional layout. Number 7. Swap fills and strokes fast. Swapping fills and strokes instantly saves you a ton of time and lets you experiment with colors and styles freely without manually fiddling with each property. This trick is a lifesaver when you're testing different design looks or trying to match a brand style. Let's do it. Step 1. First, open your Figma file and navigate to the object you want to style. It could be a shape, a button, or even a complex component. Anything that has both a fill and a stroke. Make sure you're on the right layer in your Layers panel so you don't accidentally select the wrong element. Step 2. Before using the shortcut, check that your object has both a fill and a stroke applied. This is important because the swap won't work if one is missing. If your object only has a fill or stroke, don't worry, we'll cover that in a later step. Step 3. Now, click on the object so the bounding box markers appear around it. This confirms that the object is actively selected and ready for editing. You'll notice the handles and corners appear. This is your visual cue that Figma is ready to respond to shortcuts. Step 4. Hold down the Shift key and press X on your keyboard. Instantly, you'll see the fill and stroke colors swap places. The fill becomes the stroke, and the stroke becomes the fill. It's that simple, and it happens in a flash. This is perfect for testing different looks or reversing colors in your designs without extra clicks. Step 5. If your object only had a fill or a stroke to begin with, don't panic. Simply add the missing property, first add a fill if there's only a stroke, or add a stroke if there's only a fill, and then repeat the Shift plus X shortcut. Now you can swap them instantly, just like with fully configured objects. Step 6. Finally, apply this shortcut across other objects in your design to speed up your workflow. Whether you're styling icons, buttons, or illustrations, this little trick can save minutes or even hours when working on large projects. Take a moment to experiment with different fill and stroke combinations. Sometimes a simple swap can give your design a fresh new look instantly. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to subscribe to SAS Beast Pro for more pro design tricks, workflow hacks, and tutorials that will level up your Figma skills.